Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many too many requests problem on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.